What did you think about the house the first time you went in it?
I thought this is a really quality flip.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We've been calling it the HGTV house because everything is just gorgeous. It's really pretty. I mean, it's smaller than we thought we were gonna get, but because it's so just beautiful and well done and well laid out, like it doesn't matter.
What was your favorite feature?
The master bath. I really love the shower that
Yeah.
was put in there.
I love the kitchen personally.
Lena will like to hear that.
I mean, that's kind of where I'm gonna live, but
Yeah.
like I love that it's part of the house instead of like kind of separated from everything.
Yeah, we opened that wall there so that
Yeah.
it would have more access to the living room as well.
Right. So nice. But there's still enough space in there that I feel like I could customize it to be like exactly what I want.
Were the schools a consideration? Because that's partly why we bought it. Was the Brookwood cluster is like.
For me, no.
Yeah.
But we bought it because I knew other people would care. So, the same thing you did?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. It's strong school system, keeps the value of the house.
Right.
Well, and for me, it's I mean, my kids, yeah, in a couple of years they'll be old enough to go to school, but
Yeah.
I haven't really. We haven't lived here, and so I don't know what's great about the Brookwood.
Well, you've picked a great place to live for sure. Gwinnett County's a wonderful place to live.
So,
Well, let me grab a photo.